What I wish I knew at 14 AI is the future, and the future is now. Let's talk about where the big money is going in AI investments. Investors are pouring billions into AI every year, but where exactly are these dollars heading? First off, healthcare. From diagnosing diseases to personalized treatments, AI is revolutionizing the medical world. Next up, autonomous vehicles. Yep, self driving cars are not just sci fi anymore. Big bucks are fueling this innovation. Then there's AI in finance. Think about it. Algorithms predicting stock trends, chatbots handling customer service, banks and hedge funds are all in. Don't forget about retail. AI is changing how we shop online, personalized recommendations, virtual try ons, you name it. Lastly, let's talk about AI in cybersecurity. With cyber threats on the rise, companies are investing in AI to keep data safe. It's like having a digital bodyguard. Thanks for watching. Follow for